I am going to be making breakfast roll-ups. You're gonna want to make your eggs first. I like to use these fully cooked Jimmy Dean sausages. I have cooked my own sausages before, but these just work a lot better. And I'm gonna cook those while I'm preparing my roll-ups. So you will be needing 2 packs of your crescent rolls. You can cut this recipe in half. I like to double it because we eat so many of them. And this is something that you could make in the beginning of the week, and you can heat them up in the morning. You're gonna need 2 separate trays for this. One will fit 8 of your rolls. Let's stretch them out a little so things can fit on there. I'm gonna be rolling them up after this, so really it doesn't matter how close they are together. Now I like sausage, egg, and cheese roll-ups, but you can really make this with whatever you want. You could make your own bacon and roll it up in here. You could use veggies. Now I will only need 4 slices of cheese. I'm going to split each piece in half and put on top of my croissants. And you'll wanna your eggs. I don't like to use too many eggs. They seem to not roll up as well, but you don't need a lot anyway. And I'm gonna want to heat my oven at 350 degrees. I'm gonna go see if my sausages are done. Now these are already fully cooked, so I just put them in my toaster oven for a few minutes to heat them up. They'll get warm in the oven again, and they're not too warm. I'm gonna wash my hands after that. Oh, we're going to roll each one of these up. The ends here, I will kind of just form it so all that stuff doesn't fall out. They're not always gonna roll perfect. Let's see, they're all rolled on your tray like that, separated. You're gonna want to put just a little bit of egg yolk on top. Now they're ready to go into the oven. Now they're done. Nice and golden brown, a little crisp to them. I hope you try making these at home and share this video with your friends.